Youth Minister Tinekwatiri is in the hot seat today. An Auditor General's report has revealed that 10 out of 17 Nissan Navaras purchased by the ministry were never delivered. These vehicles were ordered in December 2022, before Machakyra took office in September 2023. Machakyra denies any responsibility, stating that the alleged misappropriation happened before his tenure. Acting Auditor General Ria Kujinga noted that the missing vehicles are hindering service delivery and have raised significant concerns over corruption within the ministry. So, what's at stake? Public trust, efficient service delivery, and the integrity of governmental operations. As the investigation continues, all eyes are on Machakyra and his next move. Tell us your thoughts. Comment down below. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding scandal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on Zim News Live YTS.